vision board works, I've got whatever I have written in it. Have you heard of that line? I've heard of that too. And you think it's a big fake scheme because you have created your vision board and you've given hours to make a perfect vision board, but then it doesn't work. Why? You're not alone. Most vision board doesn't work. Not because dreaming is wrong, it's just because the process is broken. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually build a vision board that works and that makes your dream come true, which is backed by neuroscience and goal setting psychologies. But to fix the process, to build a vision board that actually works, we need to understand the science behind it. Why most vision board doesn't work, what actually goes wrong. One thing is they lack emotional depth. Your brain doesn't respond to superficial goals. It actually craves for the one you are feeling it inside. If you are not emotionally attached to your goal, your brain won't prioritize it. So if you don't feel deeply why your goal should be fulfilled, your subconscious will not prioritize it and you will never achieve it. The other thing is that we make vision board but we forget it very quickly. One day we are making it and the second day it's in some bag or somewhere kept inside. You're not seeing it daily. You're not reliving your goals. So if you're not revisiting them again, you're not tracking your progress, your vision board will not work. And the other thing that it doesn't work, it is because maybe it is not identity aligned. In the last video, we have seen that how goal-based outcomes can let you down and cannot let you build the habit you actually want to have in your life. But by turning it into identities, you can actually achieve it. So if you haven't watched the last video, I would suggest you to go back and watch our last video on how you can make identity-based goals instead of just plain simple outcome based goals. When we are talking about identity based vision board, it is putting a fit body on the screen, but it doesn't help because you cannot relate to it. You cannot visualize yourself into that identity. And if you're just thinking that I am not consistent enough, I am not doing this, I'm not able to do this, even though you have made it on your vision board, you will never going to achieve it. You have to make that picture on your vision board as your identity. Then only it will work. We dream of a fit body, a big business making money, a big house, car and everything on a poster, and like dreams that a magic will happen and then we will get in everything. I would say images without action it's just a poster. Let me tell you the psychology behind visioning. Have you heard of RAS? Okay, if you haven't, RAS is a filter in your brain called reticular activating system. So once you define a goal, RAS starts to, find the clues around it. So you must have seen that once you know something and then the whole day you are seeing that same thing. Let's say a song you have heard, then the whole day either you will be singing that song or you will be hearing that song and you're like, oh my god, I've listened it in the morning only, right? So it is because of RAS. Once you know something, your RAS start scanning cues around you regarding the same thing. But if it is vague and disconnected, your brain won't act on it. So you need to deeply feel it. So now we have understood that why our vision board doesn't work. But now let's make a vision board that actually works. It's a 6-step and easy process. Step 1. You have to make yourself identity-based goals, the one you relate to. So you have to write the goals what you want to be, not just what you want to have. Write yourself your most strongest desire. Step 2. Multi-sensory anchoring. You need to add textures, affirmations, colorful images, maybe link a QR code for your music. Whenever you hear that music, it will remind you of your goal. Just a small example, whenever I start to shoot, I listen a song. It's going in my brain every single time I start to shoot. So that is the cue for me to shooting. It helps me to focus. Step 3, connect to habits. Every image, every picture you attach on your vision board. Let's say you want to become healthy. So if you want to become healthy, you need to associate 1 or 2 habits with it. For example, hitting a gym 5 days a week, not eating junk, starting a business, gathering an idea, making a process to start that business. Step 4, daily touch point. It is very, very important. You just don't have to make your vision board, pack it and tuck it somewhere. You have to make it visible to you in front. Relive and revive your goal each day in the morning, and if you can do in the evening as well, so that it's stuck in your brain what you want to achieve, and then RAS will work in your favor. Fifth, monthly check-in. You need to keep the track of your progress, what you are doing. Are you actually working on what is in front of you or not? If you're not, no way you are going to continue it. Because let's take an example of being healthy. If you are a healthy person, you need to track how many times you avoided junk, which days of the week you had a healthy diet, how much water intake you are having in a day. You need to track your progress. Last but not least, step 6, evolve. Evolve as you go further in your journey. Evolve your board as you evolve with it. And the pro tip coming along, how can we leave it? To dive deeper of how actually the vision board, your mindset shift works in your life, you can use a book called Atomic Habits. It will tell you how you can just evolve 1% in a day. It actually shows how you can shift your outcome based goal to identity based goals and create a system that actually sticks. And remember, your dreams are valid, but a system is what makes it real. So let's create a vision board together that actually comes true. So do let me know in the comment box that whether have you created your vision board or not, and it actually worked or not, which of the mistakes you were doing by yourself. And do not forget to click on subscribe button and press that bell icon, because in the next video we are coming with a supercharging and fun activity on how you can just work on your laziness and procrastination and achieve whatever you want in your life. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.